Regular scoring or no ad scoring. What does that mean? Regular scoring means just like what I said. Add in, add out. And the games could go really long. But if it's no ad scoring, which is used for time reasons, like in high school tennis, many times it's no ad, then the next point wins at deuce. Whoever wins the point after deuce wins the game. That means no ad, okay? All right, and then in that case, the returner would get to pick the side. All right, first thing that you're going to do to start a match is you're going to spin your racket to see who's going to serve and which side you're going to be on. Most people do this and they go like that and they spin it on the ground. My suggestion is don't do it when you get a good racket because it's not good for your racket. Just go like this behind your back, and then each brand has an up or down. In Wilson, you would say W or M. All right, so you'd go, all right, Audrey, W or M? It's like heads or tails. All right, so she says M, it's W, so Derek wins the toss. He can choose either who will serve or which side he wants. So let's say you chose to serve, okay? You chose to serve. Then Audrey would get to choose which side, this side or that side, okay? You always start the game on the right side of the court. You get two serves to get one of them in. If you get one of them in, you play it out. If you miss the serve, it is called a fault. A fault. If you miss both serves, it is called a double fault, and you lose the point. After each point, you switch sides. So then you go from the do side to the ad or the right side to the left side. Does that make sense? You serve until the game is over. So you serve the entire time until the game is over. When the game is over, then the other person serves. You go until someone wins 6 games. 6 games, that's a set. 6 games. How long is an average set?
6 games.
6 games. How long does that take? An average set, if it's really close, is about 40 minutes. An average set, if it's not close, is about 25 minutes, okay? So, but even then, in a real match, that's not over. You have to win 2 sets. So let's say you win 6-4, you played 40 minutes, you play another set, that took 40 minutes. You lose this time 6-4. Now you have to play a third set. Now you got a real long match. All right, if you win the second set too, though, that would be over. All right, are you ready for the test?
Yes.
All right, here's the first test. You spin your racket, you win the toss. What are your options?
For someone to serve?
Yes, or?
Which side you're on.
Right, and if, second question, you guys got that one right. Second question is, if you chose to serve, what does your opponent get to do?
Choose the side.
That's correct. Very good.
No.
All right, we're going to say that you are serving against me. Which side are you starting on? The right, the left, or is it the server's choice?
The server's choice?
Is that right, Derek?
Right?
The right. You always start the game on the right side. The score is now love. No one has a point. Derek misses his first serve. What is the score now, Derek?
Love. No, 15 love?
Nope. Audrey? She
Um,
missed one serve.
Oh, love.
It's still love. You get a second
I was
serve.
like,
That was a
wait,
trick question.
It was love?
Yeah, it was a trick question. Now you missed your second serve. Now what is the score?
15 love.
But it's the server's score first.
And then love 15.
Right, love 15. All right, now who's serving? Derek or Audrey?
Audrey.
What? Or me?
Audrey.
Audrey now?
Yep.
No, you serve the entire game.
What?
You serve the entire game. Which side are you on now? The left or the right side? You're on the right side, and you just lost the point.
Okay. I lost the point. What happens if you get a fault, score, and then a fault?
A fault,
Scored, and
and
then a
you
fault.
got it in. Well, then you're still at the front. Just one
It's a
fault.
double fault.
Yep.
If you do
Or 2 times in a row, right? All right. So now you're on the left side. Now you won the next point. By the way, you hit a shot that landed on the line just a part way. Most of the ball was out, but a little bit was on the line. Was that in or out?